blendAPPS Manufacturing Scheduler Suite app is a scheduling solution that lives entirely within NetSuite. Use it to schedule work orders, routing operations, and events like CIPs, maintenance, or plant closures in the NetSuite native drag-and-drop interface with real-time status indicators and options to view the calendar by day, week, or month in a calendar view or a Gantt view. The development team at blendAPPS has been working tirelessly to offer auto-scheduling functionality, and we are pleased to announce that today it's here. You have the option to drag and drop individual events onto the calendar, same as always. Or you can select a group of work orders and allow the tool to do the scheduling for you. Enter in filter criteria to narrow down the list of work orders needing to be scheduled and click Auto Schedule. You'll be prompted with a summary screen showing all orders to be scheduled, flagging any that will be skipped and the reason why. The user defines the start date and time, and clicking Confirm will create the events on the calendar respecting work shifts, dependencies, and event conflicts. Make a mistake? No problem. Click Undo and reschedule your group of events for another day. Or alternatively, select multiple work orders on the calendar and move them as a group, allowing for room to squeeze in one more critical order. If you use routings in NetSuite and wish to schedule those routings operations on the calendar, we haven't forgotten about you. Use filters to group work orders you wish to auto-schedule, or simply enter the work order number in the search box. Click Auto Schedule to place routing operations in sequence onto the calendar. So whatever it is you're manufacturing in your facility, you now have a bit of a head start on the scheduling front. Reach out to blendAPPS to schedule a demo and sign up for a free trial of the Manufacturing Scheduler Suite app. blendAPPS, built for NetSuite, made for you.